Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Persuper digital kitchen timer. This is a really new innovation and I'm going to tell you what's the really super special thing with this kitchen timer. When it arrives, it will come in this rather simple box, but there is really something super nice inside, and I'm going to show you what it is. We get also this charging cable, which is USB-C. This is what we want to see in 2022. No more micro USB cables, because this is much faster to charge and much easier. And so here you get the kitchen timer, even with some small instructions manual. It's just two sides, but I think it could be well worth to show you that in case you lost it, or if you bought used, or for whatever reason. But it's not very difficult to use. By the way, it comes nicely protected with this screen protector, which we can remove, and you can see how nice this looks, really shiny. And we have this kickstand here in the back, so we can put it like that, but it comes also with these 4 strong magnets, so this could be very helpful if you want to put this on your kitchen fridge or freezer. And then we have even this hook here. You can put it like that, put it on a wall with 1 screw or 1 nail. So very flexible already regarding the physical setup. To charge, we can use any kind of standard USB source, can be a power bank or like a USB wall plug or whatsoever. It doesn't have to be very strong. You can see we get the red light while it's charging, and when it's fully charged it will show green. We can turn it on the left side with this slider, either into the low brightness setting, which you can see here that it doesn't consume a lot of power, and maybe it would be also nice during the night if you need that. And during the day, of course, we want to use the high brightness setting, and as you can see, we can clearly see it from all the sides. Has a really good display. And then we have the power setting mode, where the screen will be turning off after about 10 seconds. So we can see that here. I mean, it's still working. We can press a button and still see it. This will save a little bit of power. And in these 2 settings, the display will always be illuminated as long as the clock is running, and only turn off about 5 minutes after it stopped. So we have a lot of different settings already here, really nice. And now let's see how easy it is to set a time or use it even as a stopwatch. This is super easy as it can get. When everything is clear, the values are on 0 with clear here. We can use it as a stopwatch directly with pushing this start stop button here. You can see it's really nice, could be super helpful as a stopwatch. But of course we can use it as a timer. We stop it and clear the values, and as soon as we set something, either hour, minute or seconds, you can see it's so easy, minutes, seconds, hours, and start it, and it will automatically work as a countdown. So from 0 it will go into the stopwatch, and from anything else it will go into countdown. This is super easy. So let's set a couple of seconds and then start it, and we can see we have 4 different options. This is the super loud option. We can stop it with any button here, but there's also a little bit more silent version, so we can start the countdown again from the 3 seconds. That's also something which is really nice. It starts always from the same time, so we start it again, and you can hear that it's not so loud. It's very comfortable. We stop it again, and then we have the next option where it's only flashing. We can see counting down again from 3 seconds, and we'll see that it's only like flashing here. This could be also a very good solution for the night, but we have even this extra bonus function, that's the vibration, and that's the thing which I really love. So we start here again from 3 seconds, and now we can feel that, that's the vibration. So this is absolutely awesome. You could even use it in a pocket, or also something for the night, or yeah, definitely something which is really hard to find. And I love this thing always to stop here, with some of the button here on the top. So I would say this is as good as it gets. There's almost nothing which is not available on this really super small, stylish, powerful timer. And so based on my experience, it is the best timer which we can find on the market now, and it's not even expensive. It's just listed for around $10, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.